That's a good looking fire. Welcome to Klein Farm Channel. I'm Tyler, and today's gonna be like a little channel update kind of thing. It's a very rare occurrence. You'll see me without a hat on, and I am not bald. See all the hair up there? I shaved my hair, but it's there. I'm not bald yet. I just hate to comb it. I'm gonna mow the grass here quick. Got a Craftsman push mower, 67.5 Briggs & Stratton, easiest starting engine. It's all covered in pollen, 190 cc, and it always starts right up. See them wheels spinning? Here's the remnants of a homemade barn my great-grandfather made probably 25 years ago. Hello, welcome to Klein Farm Channel. I'm Tyler, and today I'm going to show you a 1969 John Deere 1520 tractor. Loader, a scraper blade on the back. My great-grandfather bought this new in 1969, 1970 for his dairy farm he had right here, but not on this particular spot. This is a woodlot, like 40 acres. He retired from his dairy farm in late 80s, and they had over 250 acres, and he kept 40 acres for himself, a couple fields, and mainly his woods, and he kept this tractor and a couple other smaller pieces of equipment, sold all the rest of his tractors. He had a few other bigger ones, but this was his loader tractor, and he kept this one to use around here after he retired. It's a 1520 gas operated, not diesel. Most of the 1520s I've seen, they are very rare to see anymore. I've only ever seen 2 or 3 other ones, and they were all diesel. But this is a gas one, and it is also the first big tractor, farm tractor, I've ever driven when I was probably 13 years old or so. Maybe even 12 or 13. It's not currently running. I forget what my pap said was wrong with it, because my great-grandfather died in 2008, and my grandfather lives here now and still has it, but it needs fixed. Now I don't remember what he says wrong with it. Yeah, something in the engine. Over there is a old barn that my great-grandfather made, handmade. It's not in the best of shape anymore, but when it was brand new, it was a beautiful piece of art. The old chicken house, chicken coop that he made as well is pretty dilapidated now. But the John Deere 1520 is my second favorite tractor of all time, if not my first favorite, other than the Farmall Super C. But 1520 is definitely up there with being my favorite. It's definitely my favorite John Deere tractor. It's in the 20 series with the 4020 and 3020 and 1020. Now the hood's not bent like that. There's a couple dents in it, but the hood's up like that because they were working on it. Has dual shifters, park, first, second, and first, reverse, and second. The first and the 1 and the 2 are range. 1 is low range, 2 is high range. So on the other shifter here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 would be the road gear, high range. It also has the 2 things to operate the loader here. This one's to raise and lower up and down, and this one's to dump it and pull it back up. There's 30-27 hours on it, it says. And clutch, brake. Has the old style metal roof on it, the yellow metal roof. It's been dented up a whole bunch of times. It's a 48 loader on it, John Deere 48 loader. And John Deere 78. Got a scraper blade on the back. And there used to be a toolbox right here on the back, but it got knocked off. Size tires. 14.9-28. 13 inches on the rim, 1328. Front ones are 50016. And I just asked my grandfather, and he said that there's water running into the oil pan, and that's why it doesn't run. It needs overhauled, like a complete engine rebuild. But hopefully someday soon it'll be up and running again. I really hope that someday I can buy it and fully restore it back to factory, and I think that'd be really cool. But thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Have a great day. Rhinos at the North Carolina Zoo. There's 2 of them out there now. I can zoom in really close to them on my phone. See how far away they are. Oh, there's 3 of them out there now.
So I'm going to step into her nose. I'm going to grab my rope, pull her nose in towards me. Switch hands. I'm going to push off the other way. So if you pull towards their nose, their head's going to come in, their butt's going to go out, right? Yeah. If I push at her butt, that's going to either send her forward or send her butt out. If I wanted to go forward but I step in front of her, she's going to end up slowing down. Right. So it's all pressure and release the head. I think she's getting tired now. Well, this is the pony I wanted you to ride. One that'll stay in a trot.
Wonder if he's turned around or coming back. They're over there they're trying to start that John Deere over there. There, they got it. Well, it looks like they're going. John Deere. Nice looking Ford. Chalmers B. Complete track. Look at that one. That might be the thumbnail right there, actually. Earthmaster. Old Alice Chalmers. Well, that's my video for the Sandhills Antique Farm Equipment Show. The spring show, they have spring and they have a fall show. And if you go back to my video library, you can see I have from last year the spring and fall show. But the spring show is always a little bit bigger, a little bit better, because the fall show goes on the same time as the state fair. So there ain't as many people here. But hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Have a great day.